Hello, I'm Sebastian. Welcome to Nine Nartrees podcast. Today, I will summarize and review the book. In a world where artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a buzzword, but a game changer, Eric Siegel's The AI Playbook, Mastering the Rare Art of Machine Learning Deployment, stands out as a comprehensive guide for both novices and seasoned professionals. This book delivers a deep dive into the intricacies of machine learning deployment, an often overlooked phase of the AI development cycle. Siegel, leveraging his extensive experience and insights, unravels the complexities involved in translating machine learning models from theoretical constructs into practical applications that operate effectively in real-world environments. No matter what industry you're in, whether it's healthcare, finance, retail, or technology, this book serves as a valuable resource, guiding you through the essential steps and considerations needed for successful implementation. The author emphasizes that merely developing a machine learning model is not enough. Organizations must master the art of deployment to fully harness the potential of their AI initiatives. Packed with real-world examples, strategic insights, and actionable advice, the AI Playbook not only equips readers with the necessary tools, but also imparts a mindset that embraces the dynamic nature of AI technology. Through this book, readers will be empowered to approach machine learning deployment with confidence, ultimately paving the way for innovative solutions and greater efficiency in their respective fields. I will give you key takeaways from this book. Firstly, understanding the AI lifecycle. The AI lifecycle encompasses several stages from problem definition to data preparation, model development, and ultimately, deployment. Understanding this lifecycle is crucial for anyone looking to implement machine learning effectively. The first step in this process is to clearly define the business problem that technology aims to solve. This aligns the technical aspects with organizational goals, ensuring that efforts are directed toward meaningful outcomes. Data preparation is another critical phase, as the quality and relevance of data can significantly impact model performance. The author emphasizes the importance of clean, well-structured data, which requires thorough exploration and processing to suit model training needs. After models are developed, deployment becomes the focus, where strategies need to be implemented to integrate these models into existing systems. This phase involves overcoming various hurdles, including technical challenges, team dynamics, and end-user adoption. Siegel also discusses the ongoing maintenance of these deployed models to ensure they continue to perform optimally, adapting to changes in data and business processes. By grasping the AI lifecycle, leaders and practitioners can streamline deployment processes and maximize the return on investment for AI initiatives. Secondly, building a cross-functional team. Machine learning deployment is not the sole responsibility of data scientists or engineers. It requires a collaborative effort from a diverse team of professionals. In the AI Playbook, Siegel highlights the significance of assembling a cross-functional team that includes data engineers, business analysts, IT specialists, and domain experts. Each member brings their unique perspective and skill set, contributing to a more holistic approach to deployment. For instance, data engineers focus on preparing and managing the underlying infrastructure necessary for model deployment, while business analysts ensure alignment with strategic objectives and provide insights into user requirements. The inclusion of domain experts is crucial, as their knowledge can guide the team's decisions and help anticipate potential pitfalls. Effective communication and cohesive teamwork are emphasized as essential components of successful deployment. Siegel provides strategies for fostering collaboration, such as regular interdisciplinary meetings and shared goals, which can bridge the gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders. By understanding different roles and responsibilities within a cross-functional team, organizations can facilitate smoother deployment processes and enhance the overall effectiveness of their AI initiatives. Thirdly, challenges in machine learning. Deployment. Siegel meticulously addresses the myriad challenges organizations may encounter during machine learning deployment. These challenges often include technical hurdles such as integration issues with existing systems, scalability concerns, and the need for robust testing processes to ensure model accuracy and reliability. Additionally, Siegel points out organizational resistance as a significant barrier, stemming from fear of change or misunderstanding of AI capabilities among employees. This resistance underscores the necessity of effective change management strategies to facilitate the adoption of AI technologies. Moreover, ethical considerations come into play, especially concerning data privacy and algorithmic bias. Organizations must adhere to best practices to mitigate these risks, ensuring that their AI solutions are not only effective, but also ethical and responsible. Siegel advocates for a proactive approach in addressing these challenges, including comprehensive training for teams, thorough testing protocols, and transparent communication about the advantages of AI deployment. By understanding potential obstacles, organizations can better prepare themselves, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and innovation in their AI journey. Fourthly, monitoring and maintenance of deployed AI models. One of the critical aspects highlighted in the AI Playbook is the ongoing monitoring and maintenance of deployed AI models. Siegel asserts that the deployment phase does not conclude with the launch of a model. Instead, it sets the stage for continuous engagement. As environments, data, and user requirements evolve, AI models must be regularly assessed to ensure their accuracy and relevance. This involves implementing performance metrics and monitoring systems that can promptly identify deviations or declines in model performance. Siegel discusses the importance of retraining models with new data to maintain relevance and accuracy, a process that demands foresight in planning resources and timelines. Regular maintenance also helps organizations preemptively address issues before they escalate, ensuring sustained efficiency and effectiveness of AI solutions. Engaging with feedback from end users also plays a significant role in this ongoing process, allowing organizations to make data-driven adjustments that enhance user experience. In this way, monitoring and maintenance become continuous cycles of improvement, driving better business outcomes and promoting transformational change. Lastly, strategic use of AI in business. In the AI Playbook, Siegel emphasizes the importance of a strategic approach to AI implementation within business contexts. Organizations must first identify strategic objectives that AI can help achieve, and then map out how machine learning can fit into this broader vision. Siegel advises leaders to envision AI not merely as a technical tool, but as a pivotal component of their business strategy. By aligning AI initiatives with core business goals, organizations can ensure that projects receive adequate prioritization, funding, and support. Siegel also discusses case studies where companies have successfully integrated AI into their operations, illustrating the transformative potential when AI is leveraged strategically. Moreover, he encourages organizations to foster a culture of innovation, openness, and experimentation, which can lead to new insights and paths toward achieving strategic objectives. By instilling a strategic mindset around AI, businesses can maximize their capabilities, ensure a competitive edge in the market, and ultimately drive sustainable value creation for stakeholders. In conclusion, the AI Playbook, mastering the rare art of machine learning deployment, is indispensable for anyone involved in the world of artificial intelligence, particularly those focusing on machine learning. This book is tailored for a wide spectrum of readers, including data scientists, business leaders, project managers, and industry professionals looking to gain insights into the deployment phase of AI projects. Reading this book equips individuals with not just technical knowledge, but also practical strategies that can enhance the effectiveness of their AI initiatives. The unique blend of theoretical understanding and real-world applications makes it a must-read for those who wish to translate AI potential into tangible outcomes. As businesses increasingly rely on data-driven solutions, the ability to deploy AI effectively can significantly impact organizational performance. Mastering the techniques and principles outlined in this book will enable individuals to identify and leverage opportunities presented by AI technology, thus fostering innovation and efficiency in their business practices. Ultimately, the AI Playbook inspires readers to embrace the AI revolution with confidence, making it a vital resource for navigating the future of technology in a rapidly evolving landscape. If you would like to support Eric Siegel, you can buy the book through the Amazon link I've provided in the podcast description. After reading the book, please let me know what you think and share your thoughts. See you around.